Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is the role of exercise in a diet plan. Exercise plays a crucial role in a well-rounded diet plan and is essential for overall health and weight management. Here are some key benefits and considerations regarding the role of exercise in a diet plan. 1. Caloric expenditure. Exercise helps burn calories, which can contribute to creating a calorie deficit necessary for weight loss or weight maintenance. By burning more calories than you consume, you can create an energy imbalance that can lead to weight loss. 2. Increased metabolism. Regular exercise can boost your metabolism, which is the rate at which your body burns calories. This can lead to more efficient calorie burning throughout the day, even when you're at rest. 3. Muscle preservation. When following a calorie-restricted diet, exercise becomes even more important. It helps preserve lean muscle mass while losing weight. Including resistance training exercises, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, can help maintain and build muscle, which has a positive impact on overall body composition. 4. Improved cardiovascular health. Aerobic exercises like running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking can improve cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart and improving circulation. Regular aerobic exercise can lower the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. 5. Mental well-being. Exercise has a positive impact on mental health by reducing stress, improving mood, and boosting overall feelings of well-being. It can also enhance cognitive function, memory, and focus. 6. Appetite regulation. Exercise can help regulate appetite and control cravings. It has been shown to reduce hunger hormones and increase satiety hormones, helping you manage your calorie intake more effectively. 7. Long-term weight maintenance. Regular exercise is crucial for sustaining weight loss over the long term. It helps prevent weight regain by increasing energy expenditure, preserving muscle mass, and promoting a healthy metabolism. When incorporating exercise into a diet plan, it's important to consider the following. 1. Balance and moderation. Find a balance between cardiovascular exercises and strength training to enjoy the benefits of both. Aim for a mix of aerobic exercises and resistance training for optimal results. 2. Personalization. Choose activities that you enjoy and can sustain over time. This will increase adherence to the exercise plan and make it more enjoyable. 3. Gradual progression. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity, duration, and frequency of your workouts to avoid injury and allow your body to adapt. 4. Consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Aim for regular exercise sessions throughout the week to reap the benefits. Find a schedule that works for you and make it a priority. 5. Complement with a balanced diet. Remember that exercise is just one component of a healthy lifestyle. Pair your exercise routine with a balanced diet that includes whole foods, plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's worth noting that if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise or diet plan. They can provide personalized guidance and support based on your specific needs. Stay tuned for more updates.